What's up, guys? We're down in New York with Nick.
Engine. Let's go.
We're picking up a silver top
20 valve 4AG.
Silver top 20 valve 4AGE. Yeah, so Nick's been looking for an engine for a couple of years now, and he finally found one.
Facebook.
A little Facebook action. He's been looking all over the country for a black top 20 valve 4AGE, but he's settling for this one because
can't find anything else. So hopefully it's a good engine. It checks out.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Throw it in the 86.
He's got every little part he needs to get it done, so he's all set up. Just needs the
engine.
The actual engine. We're getting hit with New York's new congestion tax, getting charged to go in and out of the city. The engine's real. We're just waiting for the owner to come because it's at his mechanic shop.
Go, 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 go. Keep going. Keep going. All right.
What do you think, Nick?
Dude, I am so stoked. After 2 years of searching, finally got the engine.
It looks really clean. A little bit of corrosion here and there, but
just because it sat since they got it in October from JDM Orlando.
It was underneath the hood and a bumper. It was
fucking New York cab hood.
Yeah. Interesting. All right, we're gonna go maybe grab something to eat. And I'm actually picking up a Toyota Mark II lip because mine broke. Alright, so we picked up the lip for the Mark II. It actually turned out to be a OEM plastic lip and not the Fire Sports fiberglass one, which is completely fine. I'd rather have a plastic one than fiberglass. So came out on top on that one.
So today we're gonna review Lucky's Burgers. Dan's gonna get the teriyaki burger. I'm gonna get the same.
The teriyaki burger.
I don't even know if they have that. Fuck, dude. Nice. The goods are secure.
Alright guys, so it was a long day of driving, probably around a 9-10 hour trip total with all the stops and stuff, so it was exciting. Got Nick a new engine. He's been waiting for years for this. He had an unfortunate event happen with his original motor, just kind of blew itself up. But now he's got the engine of his dreams. He's got all the parts ready to go, and he's looking to do like an engine harness and look into stuff to get that set up, and then it should be good. I picked up this OEM front lip spoiler for my Mark II. I ended up hitting a cardboard box on the highway and blew this part apart right here. So it's really thin. This one actually is a little bit different. It has that middle divider as like a support. So it's pretty cool. I thought, the seller actually thought it was a fiberglass Fire Sports one, but it turns out it's OEM plastic, which is a lot better because that's what was on the car originally. And originally this lip was actually the color that I needed it to be, which kind of stinks because I'm gonna have to paint it. There you go, OEM Toyota. So I'm sending that over to Bad Bird Customs. He's gonna take both lips, color match it, get me all set up there. What's up, guys? This might actually be the first time the Mark II's in the garage. I did most of the work at some friend shops, and Skyline's just been sitting in here. It's time to finally put all the trim back into the interior after being wrapped, and we're going to be installing the new front lip I had painted and fixing this. Here's the broken front lip that we're replacing. Here is the side skirt that I had Andrew patch back together, which we originally broke at Joel's shop. And then this is what I did about 6 minutes ago. I broke the other side in the same spot, a little bit worse. So I'm gonna have to take this side off as well and epoxy it back together. Since I have to repair this skirt, I'm just gonna take the whole thing off and then repair it from the back.
I want your things in my room. I miss you all the time. I stalk myself on the internet just to see what you'll find. I want your things in my room. I miss you all the time. You make it look so easy, leaving everything behind. Ooh. When it's dark out, October will carry me. I'm walking these woods, I'm high 30 or 13. Not asking for much, man. Thought maybe you'd call me. I'd slit my own door just to see if you'd want me. Yeah. I want your things in my room. I miss you time. I stalk myself on the internet just to see what you'll find. I want your things in my room. I miss you all the time. You make it look so easy, leaving everything.
Alright guys, so we got the other OEM plastic lip on, and it fits very well. It actually stays on the car without any mounting hardware, which is insane. The fitment is so good. So we got the window switches all glued up. Common theme with this car is gluing it back together. But yeah, it's straightforward. Try to grab this on camera. I don't remember which way it went in. Oh, it hooks in this way. All right. And then it clips in. Damn. Carbon bits. Carbon wrap bits. What do you think, dude?
Shit's butter. A little refresh.
It looks so much better without the wood.
Yeah, it does.
Money.
Yeah, it does. What I was saying,
So we agreed that the Nardi in the car sits a little bit too close, so I had this extension. I think it's like an 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch extension. We're gonna throw it on.
spin
Get some electrical tape. First sit.
it. Hey, Sook.
Oh yeah. Dude, I'm about to hit a backy right now.
Yo, let me see your best backy.
Oh, it's not really sitting in there either.
No.
How come nothing works?
Humpty Dumpty, dude.
It's literally, this car is Humpty Dumpty, dude. Nothing works and always breaks apart in a million pieces.
Things in rejection.
What did Yuki say? Alright guys, so we just threw the trunk interior trim back in after fixing the trunk seal itself. I'm pretty sure I filmed some clips of how bad it was in here, and I think it still leaks a little bit, but gonna have to try to find a new seal at the end of the day. It's probably what it is. Yeah, threw some Danny Import slaps on here. Not sure if I like it. Kind of like cars without stickers, but Joao convinced me to do it.
Dude, gotta represent the business, baby.
Yeah, now it's a write-off. What else? These are looking good. These C-pillar trims are falling off. So we're gonna see if we can easily rip them out and then go from there. Try to glue them back. Ready to come out. No way.
Boom.
Boom.
Toyota
Boom.
Tech.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Got some 3M spray adhesive. Dude. It's gonna get everywhere. I think. Got one little tiny wrinkle.
That's gonna be
I'm
on
surprised it went back to the edge, like perfect.
Yeah, that looks really good.
That looks.
Well, we gotta think
really
too.
good.
This spot is gonna be underneath.
This is underneath, and this is underneath too, I think.
Yeah.
Hopefully it went in smoother than it came out, so we can't afford to buy a new one. Pretty sure it should just lay back in there. The right thing to do would be to take the seat out for sure, because it's directly under the seat.
Yeah, we ain't taking that out.
No shot.
Not happening.
It's putting up a fight.
Yeah, but you're gonna win though.
I don't know. It's not looking good. Problem is that I don't know what I'm doing.
You got it out. It's just in reverse now. Huh, buddy.
It still looks good.
Yo, yeah. Did you buy this brand new?
Some love taps.
Buddy. Two for two.
Maybe. This weird gasket.
Yeah, that gasket's pretty strange. Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Pounded, dude. So much better.
Good as new.
Look at that.
Look at this side, dude. Yeah.
Sag.
Ow.
Damn. Next. What's the next project? Alright guys, Joao and I banged out a bunch of work on the Mark II. I'm going to leave the other stuff I plan on doing to it for a later video, but I just want to say, stay inspired, stay driven, and don't forget to subscribe.